Hey, Al, I forgot to include a little pro tip on how to host icons from the last video. So we can put custom icons in here, but Go High Level offers essentially free hosting. So go to like an icon provider like Lucide or Lucid, however you say this. Uh, we can search for an icon, let's say a bear or panda rather, and you would just click this and it would download. I already have it downloaded. So then you would go to a sub account, go to your media storage. And what you're going to do is pull in that icon on here, grab the link. Where is it? Get link. Now we can go back to agency view, back to the app, display settings. You can paste it in here. Let's make the background color white, which is, I believe, 3Fs. Okay. And now go to a sub account. And there we are. We got ourselves a custom icon. Cool. That's all I got.